Welcome back, everyone. Today we're at the breathtaking Grand Canyon, one of Earth's true masterpieces. Over 5 million people visit every year, and it's easy to see why. Every view is a new adventure. From ancient rock layers to incredible wildlife, this place is alive with history and wonder. Get ready as we count down the top 10 must-see natural attractions and activities at the Grand Canyon. Grab your snacks and let's dive into this epic journey together. Number 10. Desert View Watchtower. This iconic stone tower rises above the canyon's eastern rim, blending history, art, and breathtaking scenery. Built in 1932 by architect Mary Coulter, the Watchtower's stonework and circular design honor ancient Puebloan structures and the Southwest's ancestral peoples. Step inside to see vibrant Hopi murals by Fred Caboti. Each painting tells a story of the canyon's deep spiritual and cultural roots. Climb the winding stairs for new artwork and hidden details at every level. Then reach the top for a 360-degree panorama of canyon, river, and painted desert. Sunrise and sunset here are unforgettable. The canyon glows gold and red, and the sky stretches forever. Families love the picnic area, gift shop, and space to explore. Don't forget your camera. This is one of the best photo spots in the park. Whether you're a history buff, art lover, or just here for the view, Desert View Watchtower is a must-see, where the Grand Canyon stories come alive. Number 9. Hermit Road Scenic Drive. This legendary route winds 7 miles along the South Rim, offering some of the best views in the Grand Canyon. Originally built in 1912 for early tourists, today Hermit Road is closed to private vehicles most of the year, so hop on the free shuttle bus and get ready for an unforgettable ride. The shuttle makes 9 scenic stops. Maricopa Point offers sweeping canyon vistas, while Powell Point honors explorer John Wesley Powell. Don't miss Hopi Point, famous for its breathtaking sunsets. Along the way, keep your eyes open for mule deer, elk, and even California condors soaring overhead. The drive winds through fragrant pine forests and sheer canyon cliffs. The journey ends at Hermit's Rest, a charming stone cabin built in 1914. Grab a snack, relax on the porch, and soak in peaceful canyon views. Hermit Road is a must for every Grand Canyon adventure. Number 8. Mather Point. This iconic overlook on the South Rim is where millions come to witness the Grand Canyon's magic. At sunrise, early risers gather with cameras ready as golden light paints the canyon walls. By midday, the platform buzzes with families, friends, and solo travelers, all pausing to soak in the view. Yet, even with the crowds, you can find a quiet spot along the rail. Listen to the wind, watch a condor soar, and feel the peace of this vast landscape. The geology here is mind-blowing. Layers of ancient rock like the Vishnu schist and Kaibab limestone tell stories millions of years old. As the sun sets, the canyon glows with deep reds and purples. Whether you stay for a moment or linger for hours, Mather Point is pure wonder, an unforgettable start to any Grand Canyon adventure. Number 7. Yavapai Point and Geology Museum. This is where the Grand Canyon story comes to life. From this overlook, you get jaw-dropping views, layers of ancient rock, the Colorado River winding below, and endless sky. Step inside the Geology Museum, where floor-to-ceiling windows frame the canyon like a living painting. Interactive exhibits let you touch real rock samples, explore 3D canyon models, and see how the Colorado River shaped this landscape. Kids and families love matching the rock layers outside to the colorful displays inside. Learning here feels like an adventure. Did you know? The canyon's oldest rocks are nearly 2 billion years old, older than the dinosaurs. Whether you're a geology buff or just here for the views, Yavapai Point and Geology Museum is a must-see, where awe and discovery meet. Number 6. Rim Trail Hiking. This is the Grand Canyon's most accessible adventure, and it's packed with surprises. Stretching 13 miles along the South Rim, the Rim Trail offers breathtaking views at every turn. No strenuous climbing required. You can start at the bustling Grand Canyon Village or at quieter points like Hermit's Rest. Each section has its own character, some paved, some rugged, all unforgettable. Families stroll together, solo hikers find peace, and friends laugh as they take in the endless horizon. Benches and overlooks invite you to pause, rest, and soak in the scenery. Along the way, you might spot mule deer grazing, squirrels darting between rocks, or even a California condor soaring overhead. Keep your camera ready. Wildlife is everywhere. The Trail of Time section is a favorite. Follow markers that reveal the canyon's ancient story and touch rocks that are over 1 billion years old. Weather can change fast. One moment it's sunny, the next you're walking through a cool mist or watching dramatic clouds roll in. Always bring water, a hat, and layers for comfort and safety. My favorite memory? Watching the sun set from Hopi Point, the canyon glowing gold and purple, everyone around me silent in awe. Moments like these make the Rim Trail unforgettable. Whether you have an hour or a whole day, the Rim Trail lets you experience the Grand Canyon's beauty at your own pace. Take photos, make memories, and enjoy every step of the journey. Lace up your shoes, breathe in the fresh pine air, and let the Rim Trail show you the Grand Canyon like never before. Number 5. Mule Rides into the Canyon. If you want to experience the Grand Canyon like the pioneers did, this is the adventure for you. For over a century, wranglers have led visitors of all ages, kids, grandparents, and everyone in between, down these winding trails on the backs of sure-footed mules. Before you saddle up, wranglers give a safety briefing and help you get comfortable with your mule. Don't worry, these animals are experts at the trail. The ride begins at the rim, where anticipation is high. As you descend, the canyon opens up in breathtaking layers, and the trail hugs the cliffs with spectacular views at every turn. Along the way, you'll hear stories from your wrangler, tales of legendary rides, famous guests, and even a few mule misadventures. The mules are steady and calm, but the trail can be narrow and steep. So hold on, trust your mule, and enjoy the thrill. Riders say the most surprising part is how peaceful it feels, with only the sound of hooves and the wind. There are options for everyone: short rim rides for beginners, or the epic overnight journey to Phantom Ranch at the canyon's bottom, where a hot meal and a cozy bed await. Pro tip: wear sturdy shoes, bring water, and don't forget your camera. These are memories you'll want to keep forever. Mule rides aren't for everyone. There's a weight limit, and you'll need a head for heights. But if you're up for it, it's an unforgettable way to see the canyon's hidden beauty. Saddle up for a story you'll tell forever. The Grand Canyon Mule Ride is part thrill, part history lesson, and all adventure. Number 4. Whitewater rafting on the Colorado River. If you crave adventure, this is the ultimate Grand Canyon thrill. Before you hit the water, expert guides get everyone ready. Life jackets on, helmets secure, and paddles in hand. The excitement is contagious as you push off into the rushing river. The rapids roar ahead. Hermit, Hance, lava falls, each one a wild ride of splashing water, adrenaline, and teamwork. Paddlers shout in unison, working together to conquer the waves. Between the rapids, you catch your breath and take in jaw-dropping canyon views, towering cliffs, swirling water, and the thrill of being deep in the heart of the Grand Canyon. Every rapid brings a new surge of energy, water splashes, laughter, and high fives as you power through together. The camaraderie is unforgettable. By the end, you're soaked, exhilarated, and grinning ear to ear. Rafting the Colorado River is pure adventure, a Grand Canyon memory you'll never forget. Number 3. Bright Angel Trail. This is the Grand Canyon's most famous hike, and for good reason. Starting at Grand Canyon Village, the trail zigzags down ancient switchbacks carved into the canyon wall. This legendary path has been used for centuries by native peoples, early explorers, and even mules carrying supplies. The geology here is mind-blowing. Each layer tells a story millions of years old. Watch as the colors and rock formations change with every step. Early on, you'll pass through rock tunnels and spot trail markers, perfect for a quick photo or a breather. There are rest stops like the 1.5 and 3-mile rest houses with water and shade, lifesavers on a hot day. Day hikers often turn around here, but the truly adventurous push on to Indian Garden, a lush oasis halfway down. For epic views, continue to Plateau Point, where the Colorado River sparkles far below. The climb back up is tough, expect to sweat, but every step is worth it for the sense of accomplishment. Fun fact: the National Park Service recommends doubling your time for the hike up versus down. Take it slow, bring plenty of water, and start early to beat the heat. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned trekker, Bright Angel offers something for everyone: solitude, scenery, and a true sense of adventure. At sunrise or sunset, the canyon glows with color. Don't forget your camera. Bright Angel Trail is a rite of passage, tough, beautiful, and unforgettable. Test your limits, make new friends, and connect with the canyon like never before. Number 2. South Kaibab Trail, hiking. The South Kaibab Trail is a bucket list adventure for hikers seeking jaw-dropping panoramic views from start to finish. Unlike other trails, it follows a ridgeline, offering unobstructed vistas the entire way down. The journey begins at Yaqui Point, where early risers are rewarded with a spectacular sunrise over the canyon. The trail quickly descends along a narrow spine. No shade, no water, just endless scenery. Ooh-Ah Point is your first major stop, named for the reaction it inspires. Here, hikers pause to catch their breath and snap photos of the canyon's vastness. Continue on to Cedar Ridge, a popular turnaround spot with sweeping views and a flat area to rest. For the truly adventurous, Skeleton Point offers a glimpse of the Colorado River far below. The trail is steep, exposed, and can be brutally hot in summer or icy in winter. There's no water along the route, so bring plenty and start early to avoid the midday sun. Many hikers share stories of camaraderie, strangers encouraging each other, sharing snacks, and marveling together at the ever-changing colors of the canyon walls. Wildlife sightings are common. Keep an eye out for California condors soaring overhead or mule deer grazing near the trail. The reward? Every step immerses you in the canyon's raw, epic beauty. The South Kaibab is famous for its dramatic vistas, especially at sunrise and sunset when the rocks glow with color. For those seeking a challenge and unforgettable memories, this is the hike to beat. Just remember, going down is optional, but coming back up is mandatory. South Kaibab is a true Grand Canyon adventure, unforgettable, awe-inspiring, and a story you'll tell for years to come. Number 1. Helicopter tours over the canyon. If you want the most breathtaking perspective of the Grand Canyon, nothing compares to soaring above it in a helicopter. From the moment you arrive at the helipad, excitement fills the air. Friendly staff greet you and pilots brief you on safety and what to expect. After a quick safety check, you buckle in, put on your headset, and the rotors begin to spin. The helicopter lifts off, and soon you're gliding over the Kaibab forest, anticipation building with every second. Suddenly, bam! The canyon opens up beneath you, and the view is absolutely jaw-dropping. The pilot points out famous landmarks like the Dragon Corridor, the Colorado River, and temples carved by time. There are tours for every schedule and budget, short scenic flights, extended journeys, and even sunrise or sunset adventures that paint the canyon in golden light. Some tours even land inside the canyon for a VIP picnic, where you can step out, snap photos, and soak in the silence and grandeur from a private spot. The helicopters themselves are marvels of modern technology, quiet, smooth, and equipped with panoramic windows for unbeatable views. Pilots share stories, geology, and history through your headset as you fly. Passengers often describe the experience as life-changing. One traveler said, "I finally understood the canyon's scale from above. It's humbling and unforgettable." Helicopter tours have a rich history here, dating back to the 1960s, when the first aerial sightseeing flights began. Today, thousands of visitors each year make memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to see the Grand Canyon in a way few ever do, a helicopter tour is the ultimate adventure. It's a splurge, but the memory will stay with you forever. So, if you're ready for the #1 Grand Canyon thrill, don't miss your chance to take to the skies. That's our top 10 Grand Canyon adventures. From ancient towers to helicopter rides, this place is pure magic. Whether you crave epic hikes, history, or heart-pounding thrills, the canyon has it all. I hope this inspires you to plan your own Grand Canyon journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your bucket list pics in the comments. See you on the next adventure!